What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey, so I'm sitting here knocking out all these reviews for all these sneakers that I got piling around, catching up on my content for you guys. And then after I do these sneakers, I'm gonna jump back into my collection videos, and I've got the Air Jordan 5s coming up next on my rotation. So stay tuned for that, y'all. But before we get to the content of today, I want to make sure I say thank y'all for watching the videos, for liking the channel, for subscribing to the channel, for sharing the content. I appreciate y'all. Keep it going. If I see y'all out there, I'll give y'all a big pound and thanks. Appreciate it. So, all right. Well, today's video is another recent release. It just came out, I want to say, what was it, 3-4 days ago from when I'm, might not be 3-4 days from the time that I post this video, but when I'm recording it, 3-4 days ago. And it was a definitely looked out, you know, for shoe. It wasn't a hype shoe, but at the same time, people wanted it. It looked good, looked dope, you know, from reviews and, you know, and early looks that we've gotten from like people like Z Sneakerhead and, you know, Soul Links. So but definitely dope quality on those early looks, so everybody wanted them. But eventually I think some of the, you know, they mostly sat, and they've been restocking them like crazy on websites because I've been seeing them restock. So yeah, so I think either they made too many or another victim of the time of release. So all right, let's get to the box, see what I'm talking about. So what I'm talking about is right here. Boom, it's in this box. We all know what sneaker comes in this box, or this type of box. So let me just go ahead and read the label to you guys. And it is the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. The colorway is white, black, varsity red, and it's a size 10. So what I've got in front of me, ladies and gentlemen, to review for y'all, is the it's the dope it's a dope sneaker. It's the Air Jordan 1 Low Retro Black Toes. So here they are. And first impressions of the sneaker, I'm loving the toe box because they got the leather on the toe box. It's nice and tumbled. They got the toe box tumbled, you know. But then the back, oh man, they almost had a home run with me on these. The midsole, I mean that's the midsole. The mid section is tumbled leather. The swoosh is like, it's not smooth, but it's not tumbled. It looks like almost like what's that stuff they spread the bed liners on trucks? I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's like I don't know. It looks wrinkly, but it's not tumbled leather. It's like spotty and everything. It looks cool. The swoosh is cool. What I'm kind of about is the black, the red heel, how it's all smooth. And it's not bad looking, but it's just, for the rest of the sneaker to look the way it does, I think that should have been tumbled leather too, man, to be honest. So, but not gonna reveal too much. You guys gonna get your nice and up close view to make y'all, you know, determination, make y'all decision on what y'all think about the sneaker. But yeah, that's so far, that's the only complaint that your boy got about these right here. So, but let me go ahead and put these in front of the camera, down on the rotation display, and a nice close, you know, view for you guys to look at these, and you guys can make the choice. So let's get these in front of the camera. Let's get to it. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Well, here we got the Air Jordan 1 Low Retro Black Toes, and like I said, Look at the toes on those, man. Woo, that tumbled leather. That's the little wrinkly looking type leather in the front. That, I mean, I'd say it's tumbled, but it looks wrinkly. It's not cracked like the stuff from, you know, those Top Haze and the Craft Series sneakers, but definitely dope looking. Here we got the side panel view. Again, see that material on the swoosh? It's kind of like, you know, I don't know. It's pretty dope. It's like leather, but it's, I don't know, it looks like some kind of like rough material, but it's dope. Of course, you got the nice leather, you know, a little tumbled there. And then, of course, the side and the front right there on the black toe right there. But the only thing that I had to complain about was the back. It's all just flat looking, just flat leather. And I thought that was probably a mistake, but hey, that's just my, you know, feeling on these. But overall, check out the rest of the craftsmanship on the sneaker. Generic, you know, Air Jordan 1 sole right there. Clean in every aspect. No overglues. No, quality has been coming out of Jordan brand very well on these last couple of releases. Haven't had any complaints about that stuff. So quality is definitely coming okay. So, all right. Well, let me know what y'all thought about these black toes, y'all. Let me know in the comment section if this is something that you went out and copped. Is it something that you doubled up, or is this something that you passed on? I mean, let me know. Let me know if you guys really rocking with these, because I am. I doubled up, straight up. See? Yeah. So, all right. So let's get our final, you know, comments and thoughts on these. Get back in front of the camera, and we'll go and we'll take it from there. All right, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review of the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. And let me know in the comment section what y'all thought about this sneaker. I thought it is definitely a dope release. Just one little smidge of an issue for me. That right there. And you guys got to see that up close and personal. And we talked about it in the up close look. So let me know what y'all thought about the sneaker. Let me know what y'all thought about the video. Please make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And y'all get some more content like this. And it looks like, yeah, these are doable. I'm gonna have to cop a stock one, you know, pair just to have around. But this is definitely a doable pair to wear around. So, all right, well, that's it. I think I got one more pair of sneakers to review of the pairs that I've had here. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs waiting for me to review, and I've got 4 done. So let's get the last one going. And there's nothing else to say other than, as always, it's your boy Josh. We own the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.